Check out that yellow epoxy. One of the most common questions we get about our new product, Poxy Boost, is will it work for all epoxies? And the answer is yes. All epoxies turn yellow over time due to oxygen. So we created a highly concentrated formulation that very little goes a long way to correct the yellowing in all epoxies. You are always going to want to start out with very little Poxy Boost because it's so highly concentrated. So 1 drop at a time, watch it go down inside the yellow side of your epoxy and then start to mix it just like this. If your epoxy is super yellow, it could take more than 1 drop. We've seen times where it's taken up to 3 to 4 drops. But watch the Poxy Boost go down inside of this yellow epoxy as she's perfectly mixing this epoxy back and forth. We're going to magically see this epoxy go back to its original color. Not only is it going to go back to its original color, but it's actually going to add to the UV protection, it's going to add to the shine, and then it's going to add to the life of your epoxy. We came into the crafting world to help all epoxy artists. Epoxy is your biggest, most expensive investment. We want you to be able to use every drop. Check out what Poxy Boost did for this epoxy. Look, the color is corrected and now she can use it. To purchase your bottle of Poxy Boost, you can go to Tumblerpoxy.com.